What's going on, everybody? Here we are, it's another week at the Home Theater Hobbyist, and this week we have an unboxing of a pair of bookshelf speakers from Elac. It's the Debut 2.0 series, so let's get to it. First of all, I want to apologize to our regular viewers. I haven't done a video in about 2 weeks, and that's because I had something that was supposed to come in, and there was an issue with shipment, and so it didn't come in. So I've got this, and I want to review it. This is the Elac Debut 2.0 series. Now, for those of you who aren't aware, Elac hired a legendary speaker designer by the name of Andrew Jones. Prior to Elac, Mr. Jones worked for Pioneer, and while at Pioneer, he developed a set of 5.1 speakers that many considered to be the best speakers you could purchase under about $600. Once he moved on to Elac, he also created another line that was also very well received. That was the Debut series, also known as Elac Debut series. Now he's followed that up with these, the Elac Debut 2.0s. And I'm actually really excited about it because I always wanted to hear some of his speakers, and now I have them in my room. But enough about the background. Let's actually talk about this actual box and this unboxing. First impressions, this is a very, very large box. It's not very heavy, but it is pretty large. I was able to get it up the stairs by myself, but let's see, it is, let me get this right, 33 inches wide by 19 inches tall by 11 and a half inches deep. So it's a fairly big box, and that's all it is. It's just a white box, and it looks pretty good. It's got heavy marked on this side and everything like that. So let's get into it. Now I can't find my box cutter, so I have this normal like house knife I found somewhere, and allows me to cut this. So Elac does put some staples in the box. So let's see here. There are some staples in the box here and here. Make everything a little bit better. And the first thing we have, you can see this there. First thing we have is the manual. Elac Debut 2.0 by Andrew Jones. And this talks about the other speakers in the line. I've got the 6.2 speakers, but they also have the 5.2 bookshelf, a center, and some floor standers. All right, so first thing we notice is we have styrofoam, as per the usual. Speaker grill. Says Elac, and a bit of mesh on that side, and little prongs that you use to stick them into their mounting points. And take this one out as well. Ouch. And the inside of the box looks something like that. I'm going to put this box on the floor and just pull the speakers out from there. Another speaker grill. And the other speaker. So that's everything that's in the box. And let's see. Oh yeah, there's the Debut series. Right there. These things do have some tape on the bottom that you kind of have to peel off. Now, one thing they don't have, so this is definitely the bottom, they don't have any spikes or anything to I forget the name of them now, but they don't have anything along the bottom for grip. I can't think of the name, sorry. So here they are. Let's see, we got the tweeter up here. Don't look too bad. They've woofer here and the port here. This is the 6.2 line of these Elacs. They look pretty good. The cabinet's black. The finish looks really, really good. Let's turn it around so you can see the binding post there. Red and black. By Elac Debut by Andrew Jones. Debut 2.0 bookshelf speaker. Designed by Elac. And the other side looks the same. So overall, these are some really, I guess you could call them handsome looking speakers. Something like that. Let's drop the grill on this. Just push that in like that. So here they are, the debut line from Elac. I will have my full review in about a week, but if you have questions in the meantime, please put them in the comment section below and I'll try to address them in the full review. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. Consider supporting us at patreon.com/hometheaterhobby or use that Amazon link in the description below where you can purchase these and your support goes towards more products for review. Again, thank you. We'll talk to you next time.